Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Kiwi dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Kiwi dollar, we definitely have been going down very strong. We had the U.S. presidential elections yesterday, and they're actually still going on, but they did decide that Trump was the winner. So very volatile couple days for sure. I mean, on the monthly time frame, it looks like this would be probably a wave A. This would probably be a wave B. And it probably would go up and make a C, and then this would be like impulsive down, three waves up, and apparently impulsive down again for an A, and then three waves of B or three waves of 2. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's very obvious this over here is an uptrend. I think it's also very obvious that this right here is a three-way pattern to the downside. I think it's WXY of A. I think this is potentially a 1, 2, 3 waves up for a potential wave B. So we have three waves of A, three waves of B, and that should lead to five waves of C, which should at least go down to the 78 or the 88% before it potentially goes up for that bigger wave C, because to me this looks like on the monthly time frame it should be an ABC also. So we're just looking at right now the internals of a wave B. So anyways, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely very impulsive to the downside, but this to me looks like that 3, 4, 5 shape that you get at the end of every trend. Now it also could potentially be like a wave 1 and a tiny little wave 2 and just keep on going for wave 3. I honestly think that is the least likely scenario, but definitely something that we need to keep in mind. I think it's more likely that this is still going to go up and make a bigger correction, and this would be like a 1 and this would be a 2, and eventually it would go down for the bigger wave 3. Definitely makes more sense for it to play out like that. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can start to see the trend a little better. I mean, to me, it still looks like potentially all 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. And if this is 5 waves down, then this will go up. It will take out the high of wave 4, making a wave A, eventually correcting to that, making a wave B, and eventually back up for a wave C. And this should be, the whole move down should be a wave 1 or maybe a wave A, probably more likely a wave 1. The ABC up should be a wave 2 or maybe a wave B. More likely a 1 and a 2 in my opinion. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Honestly, on the 1 hour time frame, really, we should have a Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour from here to here. Because if this really is a wave 5, then it will most likely make a move to the upside, not respecting any Fibonacci levels, maybe bouncing from Fib levels, but not breaking structure at Fib levels, eventually going up and taking out the high of wave 4. So this is the shape that I would expect to see if this is a wave 5. Now, if this is not a wave 5 and this is really a wave 1 and a wave 2 and a wave 3, like I was explaining on the higher time frames, then this would more than likely go up to a Fibonacci level, making an A, B, and a C shape, probably up to the 61 or the 78%. Then it would make a big engulfing move down and likely a break of structure at a Fibonacci level. If you see this picture right here, then you definitely want to go short again, because that would probably be the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 3. So we're kind of at a critical area right now, trying to figure out whether this is a wave 5 and it's going to go up and break structure, or whether we're in a wave 3 and this is possibly like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and eventually it goes down for a 3 of 3. We got US interest rate news coming out tomorrow, which I will be live streaming for that interest rate news, the US interest rate news tomorrow. So definitely could be another very, very big day tomorrow, Thursday, for the US interest rate news. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.